Good morning, guys. I just woke up and it is a beautiful day here in Atlanta, Georgia. And finally, I decided I took the plunge and created my own channel actually. And I just want to share with you guys what I got myself into. So let's just dive in. It is 2004 Acura RSX. Actually, I bought it a few months ago. I've been working with it for a while now, and as you can see, it has some upgrades already, and I'll give you all of the details that I have so far. And actually, when I bought it, had actually a few goodies in it, but shoot, needed some real love actually. Paint was faded, carbon fiber hood, oof, awful. So I'll show you the engine bay. It has a AEM intake, DC sport header. What else? Oh, I upgraded the CNC and left cylinder K-tune. Actually, I ran with a couple of problems with the clutch. Same thing, I have to replace the whole clutch. Has a lightweight flywheel. As you can see, Type R badges. And see, I don't know if you can see it very well, but the hood is kind of start to fade. So I'm gonna have to sand it and throw a couple of clear coats on it. And like I said, I've been working on it. Type R. There we go. Say same thing with the radio. Just one without the holding, the doors. I mean, like I said, I just want to make this Type R the closest thing that you can get. But I've seen a couple of videos that they're using the Type S badge. So sorry for the mess. So car looks in pretty shape. Type R wind, carbon fiber. So I'm gonna be working with this, and yeah, I went ahead and got something because I needed to. I was missing my Civic, and sure, they used to drag race. So I hope we can do something with this. Stay tuned. If you like this, please don't be afraid. Comment down below and subscribe. Thank you.